I work at Bruel Kjaer Sound and Vibration here in the Copenhagen area, Denmark. I've been a technical writer for a number of years, over 10 at least. For the last maybe 8 years, I have been the manager of the technical communication group. We just changed it from technical writing to technical communication because we're doing videos, a lot of videos actually right now. I've come to this event so that I can decide if I wanted to continue with FrameMaker, because there's a lot of tools out there. A lot of tools that provide single sourcing, which is very important for us. Trying to save time where possible, streamline processes and procedures. And I think I'm kind of convinced that a FrameMaker is the right tool for at least part of our documentation. There are some other tools I might use for online help, but FrameMaker is definitely something I will continue with. We've been using it for as long as I've worked at Bruel Kjaer, and I think we'll just get the next upgrade. I heard about the TechComm event via my email. I'm not sure exactly where it came from. I get a number of emails. I do know for sure that the individual that's responsible in our IT department sent me a link, because I got a lot of emails about this. It was only last week where I actually decided to come. One, to get a little preview of the newest release of FrameMaker. That was very important, again, because I was trying to make that decision between various tools. While I didn't get a demonstration, I did get a really handy list of all the new features and an explanation of why the new features came out. The fact that it handles images much better is a huge bonus. And I don't know, it wasn't mentioned here, but there was a huge problem with PDFs within the last couple of months, and I can see that they have changed the way PDFs are handled in FrameMaker, and that's a huge bonus as well. So this was very helpful to come here. I learned a little bit more about FrameMaker, because I did look it up beforehand, but I always thought that it's nice to get a hands-on. I kind of missed that here. A little demo would have been nice, but again, the list was handy that the evangelist provided. What I found out, though, was that RoboHelp was completely revamped. I didn't expect that. Didn't think that they were going to just change the product altogether. So we used to use RoboHelp, and then we abandoned it because it was a little stiff. Not that I will move over to RoboHelp, but it was an interesting little thing to keep in the back of my head there. The best part of the event was the fact that they added on to what I expected. I only expected to have a presentation of the products, but I got a lot more supplemental information how to use the products in terms of translations, how to best use or best set up translations, XML, talking about structured FrameMaker, how non-scary it is, because it seems to be very scary for me and my writers, but it's less scary than it seems. Just, yeah, some good supplemental information about the various products. We already have FrameMaker, but we have FrameMaker 10. We're a little behind. So we are going to purchase, I'm pretty convinced I'm going to purchase it, the latest version. And I'm glad I waited to now, because I don't think that I would have gotten as many features as I get now. I think 2019 release looks well thought out, much more responsive to today's needs.